Now I'm going to make the bunny ear. Bunny. It's BUNNY. Ear. Bunny ear. Okay. So I'm just quilling it. Making it a loose coil. Fixing it from one side. Okay. And then I am again making the semicircle. So I'm just pressing it like this. But this time, after pressing it like this, do not pinch these sides. Just apply some pressure. Put it in the center and apply some pressure like this. And then just press it like this. And after this, just press it like this. So this is a bunny ear. I'm just drawing it. This is a bunny ear. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. I'm proceeding further. And I'm going to make the heart shape. Heart shape. Now, for making the heart shape, again, I'm going to make the loose coil. Loose coil again. Like this. Okay. Now, I'm going to pinch it from two sides. Like this. And then I'll apply some pressure in the center. And then I will just pinch it from the third side. So it is kind of the triangle which we were making, but then we applied the pressure inwards as well. So I'm just applying some pressure over here. Like this. So this is a heart shape. This is the shape. Okay. I hope that's clear to each and every one of you. Any doubts, any queries, just let me know. Okay. Now I'm going to make the diya. This is really a beautiful one. So I'm going to make the diya now. For the diya, again make a loose coil. Shraddha is doing it in a very proper manner. Beautiful. Like this. Now, once I'm just done with my sticking part, I will just show you how to make diya. Okay, now for making a diya, what you have to do is you have to punch it from three ways, from three sides. So I'm just punching it like this. And then I'm going to punch it like this. In the center as well. In the corners and in the center. And then just apply pressure. And just make it like this. So this is a diya. So I have just punched it 3 sides, in the center and in the corners. So it is like this. I hope that is clear. Any queries, any doubts, please let me know. All right. Now, the last one is the most interesting one because we use it a lot. That is a dome shape.
What is dome shape?
I'm going to make it. All right. I have to make the mint fold again in the third time. Okay, I'll just make it. I'm going to make the mint fold again. Then I will just proceed with the dome shape. Okay, so I just took one quilling tool. This is my pen. I am going to rotate it around. So I'm just applying some Fevicryl over here. And then I am going to stick it like this and just quill it like this. Once I'm done with half of the quilling strip, I'll just pull it out and I will quill it like this. So you have to keep it in a finger and then just keep on holding it with the help of your thumb. This is a mint fold. Okay, this is a mint fold. I'm keeping it right here. All right. Now, next, I'm going to make the last one, that is a dome, and that is the most interesting one. Okay, so I am just taking 4 of these strips. 3, 4. I'm taking 4 strips all together. These are the 4 strips. Okay, and I am going to stick all the quilling strips together. So this is one end. I'm sticking another one over here. And stick it in a proper manner, but do not apply very much Fevicryl or Fevicol. But then it should like that it's one strip. Like this. Coming to this part. I am going to fix it from here as well. Then again, I'm going to fix it from here. So I have stuck 4 quilling strips. This is the first one, the second one, third one, and fourth one. I have stuck this all together. It's a big strip now. I am using the Fevicryl. Fevicryl fabric glue. This is the one. Okay. Now I have to quill all the 4 quilling strips together. Okay. And be very gentle with the paper. In a proper way, I'm just coiling it. Like this. I'm just pulling out the quilling tool very gently. Now this is a tight coil. Just press it to make it even. Tighten it a bit. Not very much, but a bit. And this is a tight coil. Okay. Now stick it from this side. At the end, just stick it. I just stuck it in a proper manner. Okay. Now this is a tight coil. And if we have to make it a dome, And the way of making a dome is, if I am going to make it a circular dome, then I will just push it from the sides. So I'm just pushing it and I'm just holding it like this, and I'm going to push it like this. So if you can see, then this is a circular dome. Okay. But if we have to make a conical dome, so I'm just going to push it from the center this time. I'm just pushing it. My thumb is inside this and I'm pushing it from the center. Then from the sides. First from the
Excuse me,
center.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show how to make the dome shape again? Actually, I got
Okay. So
disconnected.
this is a tight coil. Okay. So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I have to give it a circular shape, just push your paper from the sides, a bit from the side, hold it like this, and then start pushing your papers from the sides like this. Okay, so this is a circular dome.
Thank you.
Welcome. And if I have to make a conical one, then I have to just give it a this tight coil shape again, and then I start pushing it from the center first, and then from the sides, then from the center, and from the sides. So this is a conical dome. Do not push it very much. The paper will come out otherwise. So this is a dome. Understood, everyone?